Shorty feeling low, now she doing all my drugs, yeah, I'm ballin' in the club like lil' mama in my eyesight. She go on with me tonight, cause we connect like Wi-Fi, yeah, don't wanna table.
What's going on, guys? Make sure to subscribe before you leave this video. But we got a dog named Copper, as you can see in the title of the video. And yeah, he's a good boy. Where you going, boy? Go ahead and chop the dog. Oh, we got a chicken attacking. Come on. There was a chicken fight. Chickens, dog, dog, chickens, chickens, dog, dog, chickens.
Hey,
Copper.
if you didn't know, my name is Kid123. I have a second channel, and this is what I do on my videos.
Shut up, Aiden Pike. He lives at 345 County Road. None of your business. Okay? So here we go. Chickens. Dog named Copper. Yeah. Jay, my dog. Copper dog. Yeah. Go subscribe to Kid Dude 123. And also subscribe to me as well. Alabama Outdoors. You gotta make sure to subscribe. Like, if you do not subscribe, I'm gonna be really mad. If you feel like you're a nice person, at least confirm that as subscribing. I'm gonna do everything I can. Y'all just don't know. If y'all subscribe, I will be able to bring the best content for you guys. So guys, please make sure to subscribe. Click that subscribe button. If you're viewing this video, do not leave this video without subscribing. Please, I'm begging you. Please, like, please. Even if you don't feel like it, just go down there and click subscribe. That's all you gotta do. It don't take that much. Just subscribe. Please.